Welcome to Vanya's Recipes. First, I want to thank each one of you for your love and support for our channel Vanya's Recipe. It means a lot to me. Thank you so much. Today, I'm making Lapsi. It's also called crack wheat sweet, which is very popular in western part of India. If you are new to our channel, please click the subscribe button and click bell icon to get notification. Now let's get started. In the pressure cooker, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of ghee. Roast cashews and raisins until a nice golden brown and keep it aside. Now in the same pan, I'm going to roast crack wheat for a few minutes. Now I'm adding 1 cinnamon stick and 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. At this stage, I'm going to add 3 cups of hot water. When it starts to boil, add a little bit of salt. Cover and pressure cook for 4 whistles on a medium flame. It cooked very well. Add 1 cup of jaggery. A tablespoon of ghee, add roasted cashews and raisins and chopped almonds. Now Lapsi is ready. Lapsi is a very healthy sweet as we used crack wheat and jaggery. I hope you enjoy watching this recipe. If you like this video, please click like and share your feedback in the comment section. I always love to read all your comments. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I see you next week with another recipe.